how is coaching evolving? What are you seeing? I know you got a tight pulse to the ground. How is that evolution of sales coaching evolving in the AI era?
Yeah, so how we have seen a few things that we have observed, especially in the last year or so, in fact, less than a year, is with Gen AI coming in. A lot more people are focused on kind of using that technology to how they can reduce their time that they spent on, let's say, meetings or generally like activities that they do usually with like fingers, right? As you said, like Twitter fingers, right? Or X fingers. So that's where so that's where I think we see one of the things in terms of coaching is where instead of, as I said, a manager kind of doing a one-to-one session where the sales reps feel that maybe manager has a bias towards me or a bias towards another salesperson. So we see a lot of like these kind of technologies coming in to automate those processes, wherein a human element is maybe sometimes coming in with its own bias. So I have my own bias, let's say, about a certain individual, maybe, so where technology would not have that, right? So, or for that matter, like listening to thousands of calls in a month or a week, that is taken care of by the AI. And that also includes also being able to use some of the previous data. So there's already a lot of repository in all organizations for those meetings that they would have done on Zoom or any other platform for that matter. And how do I leverage that past data? So that's where, and how do I leverage that past data to provide better coaching or provide better insights in terms of coaching sales reps? So instead of having a one single framework for everybody, maybe we kind of believe in having a different kind of, let's say, a framework for every individual. So somebody, let's say, a very simple example is, uh, not everybody is good at everything, right? So there might be some alpha guy who might be good at, let's say, even, and if you look at pricing as a process, so there is, let's say, somebody is very good at giving demos, somebody is very good at discovery, somebody is not so good at pricing, somebody is only good at maybe two of the aspects. How do you customize your coaching with AI so that the AI focuses on the guy thinks the sales rep is not so good on, right? So let's say if I'm not good at pricing, maybe AI can, leverage whatever your past calls or the calls of the best sales reps who are good in pricing discussions to use that to help you coach better. So that's where we see some of the stuff that where coaching or AI could come into really improving the coaching aspect.